Water is the most precious resource of our planet due to its vital importance for all kinds of life forms and metabolic processes. Should a human being be deprived of water for 3 or 5 days, it will surely die. Moreover, the life expectancy is much higher in the region with high-quality potable water. Ukraine, Lugansk region, Anthracite. It is a small coal mining town in the east of our country. High quality of coal is the pride of the region. However, one can say the same about its water. The main problem is its quantity. The precious liquid appears only once a day in the local houses and only twice a week in the satellite settlements. As the result, one can witness regular outbreaks of hepatitis A, cholera and typhoid epidemics. People are ready to pay even 10 hryvnias if they could have it all day long and regularly. This problem is not indigenous to certain towns, it is a problem of all the country. Despite a great number of rivers, our state belongs to one of the driest regions in Europe. It concerns especially the eastern and southern part of our country, where the amount of water per square meter is 15–20 times less than that in the western part, and it can be used to supply houses due to obsolete purification systems. All the water springs should be of the first quality class, whereas only 5.7% really are. The state of other 94% is unacceptable. Ukraine, Donetsk coal basin. Continuous coal extraction in the Donetsk coal basin shows devastating effects. Mostly all the groundwater is going down into the mines. So the population has its well dry, while 228 cubic meters of water are being pumped out annually from the subterranean tunnels only in Lugansk region. Such an amount is sufficient to satisfy the needs of the whole region, which is inhabited by more than 2 million of people. It would seem that here they are, bottomless wells of the precious liquid. However, it's like a sea for a person dying of thirst. Stay with us to find out if it is possible to turn floods from coal mines into pure potable water. Water dissolves everything while permeating through the 500 up to 1,300 meters thick soil bed of the Donetsk coal basin. In general, mine waters are polluted with mineral salts. Also, sometimes they can be even more toxic. This mineral salt solution gets to the water bodies from the mines, dealing heavy damage to all the living and underfloating towns. So we have two urgent tasks that seem impossible to be undertaken at the first sight: to set up facilities for purification of mine waters, to provide millions of population of the Donetsk coal basin with safe water. Later you will see what innovation enabled to an industrial giant such as Alchevsk metallurgical plant to daily receive thousands of tons of pure water in an almost waterless region. Two problems are being resolved here: mine waters recycling and providing people with high-quality water. Ukraine, Lugansk region, suburbs of Alchevsk. Isakiv Reservoir is the biggest water storage basin in Lugansk region. It is being impounded by the river Bila mine and wastewaters. It is prohibited to swim here due to a high level of contamination. Few kilometers away from here, floods from the reservoir are being turned into high-quality potable water. Just 10 years ago, few people believed in this project. Today, it is a reality. Modern technologies allow the aqua service plant to reduce concentration of any components in water by 96–99%. They had been audited for half a year and were given a certificate proving that their water is up to the standards of International Health Organization, as well as Ukraine. Such quality can be achieved through the use of multi-level purification technology. Water from Isakiv reservoir gets to the recipient pools, where it is being preliminarily disinfected and mechanically filtered. After that, there are additional tools to solve complex of problems of water purification, even in cases of reactive pollution. Purification process is totally automatic. Sensors collect data on each stage and transfer it to the main computer, the controller. Here we can see all the technological processes and sensors for information gathering and water quality analysis. In case the quality differs somehow from the norm set, the signal is given with the simultaneous decision making by the controller or the operator. In case the quality differs somehow from the norm set, the signal is given with the simultaneous decision making by the controller or the operator. Here's the small numbers of the personnel. Only 22 people are maintaining the complex, which daily produces 12,000 cubic meters of pure water. Such an amount allows to satisfy the needs of both the citizens of the city and the Alchevsk metallurgical works. Today, the metallurgical plants need 8–9 cubic meters per day. The rest can be provided to the population of Alchevsk. Such project is an innovation for Ukraine. The plant's director recalls a lot of questions having been raised during the implementation of the project. Some of them were solved by Ukrainian scientists, like specialists of the science park Kyiv Polytechnica. We have worked with them a lot. Optimal ways were chosen, materials and chemical reagents selected. It is hugely because of our cooperation with them that we were able to set up an optimal way for water preparation. Projects like AquaService have a very important social meaning, because today they remain the only way to solve water supply problem, and not only in the Donetsk basin. We've conducted a monitoring of water bodies of Ukraine and clearly determined where such a technology can be applied. With a few adjustments, these are Donetsk, Lugansk, Kirovograd, Dnipropetrovsk and Lviv regions. Basically, everywhere there are a mining, extraction and highly mineralized wastewaters. Many mining towns and cities' mayors we managed to talk with have agreed on the utmost necessity to build such plants. The project have even been developed, but there is a usual problem, the lack of money. So while local authorities are waiting for investors and governmental support, hundreds of thousands of Ukrainians can only dream of pure water in their homes.